Welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Guys, we're not in the kitchen today. We're going to talk about my Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book. This is just the banner right here, which we're talking about at the moment. But the book itself, I'm going to give you a lowdown on the book. The book itself is on Amazon. It's worldwide, international. You can get the book at anywhere online. Once you go online and you type in Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book, right here, basically you can follow me also on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and the most important part, you can follow me also on the YouTube channel. But the beauty behind the scene, you can get the cooking book on Amazon. And your price won't change. It is your price. The reason why I'm saying it's your price, because that's your price. Basically, this cooking book we're talking about, the Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book, is international and it is a Caribbean cooking book. The reason why, we got Jamaican jerk chicken, rice and peas, curry goat, chicken, you name it, all those kind of flavors come straight out of the Caribbean inside of the cooking book. The book itself is really brilliant, but for me to explain it to you, you will understand. You have to go on Amazon, get a copy of the cooking book, have it in the kitchen, and share it with your friend, your sister, your neighbor, tell it even your manager at work about Chef Ricardo. So guys, today, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we talk about our cooking book.